Good morning. Today we'll be replacing the alternator on my 1983 Mercedes 300 SD Turbo Diesel. Because right now I'm paying for fuel, and that's not the way it should be. I should be running on cooking oil. Of course, who wants to pay for fuel? Alright, so you shouldn't have to pay for fuel. I haven't since 2008. So anyways, alternator I bought in 2008 October. And it's coming to an end 2016, so we're gonna have to remove the alternator, but before we do that we gotta remove the belts. We got a power steering belt, supposed to have an air conditioning belt, but I'm happy to say, I never thought I'd be happy to say I don't have an air conditioning belt because I don't have AC. I guess I'm happy right now. And then the two alternator belts, and we'll remove the alternator, which is right here. First you're going to drop the power steering, loosen the power steering belt and drop it off, which would be, I think, 3 bolts. It's going to be 1 right there, 2 there, loosen these guys, and there's 1 more there. So once we do that, should loosen up, drop down, swipe the belt off, and then we'll do the next step. Step 1, for me anyways, I put on some rubber gloves and I put some newspaper bags on and a shirt from like the 1990s. Turn my shorts inside out, old shoes on. So anyways, you could use, I use newspaper bags, you can use bread bags, you just get the crumbs in the bread bags, so the newspaper bags work better. I'm a complete wuss, I'm trying not to get dirty at all. First step, unhook the battery. If you don't know how to unhook the battery, stop watching. You're not going to be able to do this job. Next, you're going to remove the air cleaner, air filter kind of connections right here. This, and then this part right here, which is just a flathead, and then another flathead around there. So you remove that first, and then I'll kind of give you some room to work. Okay, so step 1, loosening the power steering. There were 4 bolts. There was 1 here, 1 right there. They're all 13 millimeter. There was 1 down here, below it, right directly below it. And there was that 1 there. That's like, I think, the tightening one. As I said, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just trying to play one on YouTube. So there's, and then this one right here, where it kind of slides there and on the back. So I did that. Loosened all 4 of those. And it's very loose, as you can see. Belt should just slip right off. There we go. Belt's off. And there you go. So we'll do the next step. Would be the alternator. Okay, as we carry on, now we're going to loosen the alternator belt. Take the belts off, then free up the alternator. So what we're going to do first to loosen it is the self-loosening bolt here. That's a 13. And on the back of it is also a 13. Right there. Right there. So you loosen those. Should slide down. You're going to have to loosen below. There's another 13. You're going to have to unplug this right here. Okay. Well, that just broke off, but it also unplugs. There we go. Alright, so it's just so dirty, just everything. It's just a oily Mercedes, oily diesel Mercedes, dusty, rusty, musty, old Mercedes. So I'm underneath the vehicle now, and there's another bolt here. I got a 17 on it. That also has to be loosened and actually taken off, so it will free the alternator. So there's a 17 here, there's a 17 above, and that self-tightening screw nut right there, that's a 13. That's all, folks.